You mentioned in the show prep a little bit, Austin, business tactics. They don't always translate.
Or business advice, it doesn't always scale.
Business advice, yeah. What do you mean by that? Is that kind of what you're talking about a little bit about, like, a lot of business advice nowadays is like, grow your SEO, do all these things. Is that kind of what you're getting at there?
What I mean by that is the advice I would give someone like myself in this part of my career versus the advice I would have given myself 10 years ago is totally different, right? I hear so many fluff seminars where a photographer will be like, don't give discounts on your prices, stay strong, charge, you're only doing a disservice to the industry if you're lowering your price. And I'm just like, well, that's a load of BS, because what if you've only been photographing for a year and a half and a really good opportunity comes along, and it's the difference between getting that wedding and not getting that wedding by giving them an $800 discount.
There's no such thing as free marketing. You're always paying to play. Everyone needs to realize that. Like, mostly you do have to spend money. You have to spend money somewhere. You can't just, most people, if you have such a big name, you already spent the money, right?
Right.
But you're either giving your time or you're giving your money, but you're giving up something that has value to it. And I think people need to realize that, like, there's no such thing as free marketing.
Yeah, that's what I mean by a lot of times business advice doesn't scale, right? So when I do workshops, people will say, "Oh, do you do bridal shows or anything?" And I'm like, "No, but you should." Like, I did. I did them for years. I mean, you have to get the fire started, right? You need to get the fire started before you can really make something big. And so, when someone comes to me and they've been doing this for years and they're trying to break into the next level of business, if they said, should I do a bridal show? I'd be like, no. You don't see Gucci at a trade show. You know what I mean? They're just Gucci.